Hey guys, welcome back. Today we are going to be playing with this BedHead Misbehave Deep Waver. Now I'm letting it warm up. I've got it kind of in between medium and high, I think. She's already getting warm. And I didn't bring a comb out here, but that's okay. We're going to play with this Deep Waver. Now, if you've noticed, my hair has gotten kind of long. My hair grows like a weed. Once it gets past my shoulders, it just like grows like a weed. So we're going to play with this guy and see what we can get. So I'm just going to kind of section off the back here and open it. Oh yeah, she's getting hot. I'll give it like one more second. We'll turn it up just a hair bit more. And I've never played with one of these before, guys, so I don't know exactly. Oh yeah, she's hot. I think that's too much. Let's divide that in half. Okay, I need to like move you guys down a little bit, don't I? Now my underneath sections, I don't like mind if they don't get completely like crimpy, because even when I curl my hair, I don't always do the underneath portions of my hair. And yes, my hair does have some heat protectant on it. Oh my gosh. Okay, let's do this side again. I'm just going to come in and kind of divide that in half. And then this little guy here, I'm going to try not to burn myself. Just going to put one crimp in it because it's kind of short. You can definitely feel the heat coming off. Okay, this one. It is kind of hard to get if you have like a big chunk of hair in that opening. Then do a little chunk down here at the bottom. This little piece came out, but it'll be okay. See the where it's deep? That's what I wanted. I wanted something a little bit more than just the little wave. Oh my gosh. Okay. Let's take this down. And we'll divide it again. We'll take this piece here. Yeah, I think these smaller pieces like that is a lot more manageable. And then I'm just kind of skipping a spot. And it does not take it long, guys. It does not take it long at all to put that crimp in there. And you gotta understand, I'm doing this. Well, I could use this mirror, but I'm doing it up there. While that is going, I'll grab the next section. May need to turn it down a hair. She's feeling really warm. I'm going to turn it down, and the temperature is down here on the bottom. I'm going to put it back down here kind of low. While I have this out, I might as well just go ahead and do that one since it's out. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, that is so cute. Okay, all right. I gotta lay this down for a second, and I'm going to pin this guy up and out of the way. Okay, so I'm trying to find the chunks here that were not. I know I probably missed some in the back. Probably, most likely. That looks like it got a little cramp in it, so we'll just. If you have a silicone glove, I need to buy one. That would probably be fantastic. I'll do this little section on its own. Oh, wow. Okay. So I'm going to take this piece and just kind of flip it over right now and take just this chunk here. Seems like it's easier to start here and work it back. Smaller end. I guess I'm holding it there for like 10 to 15 seconds. I mean, just, your hair. Usually with a curling iron, I count to like 10 to 15. Okay, I'm going to grab this next section here. I'm going to keep curling, and I will bring you guys back when I'm done. Okay. Lock that down. Take this clip out. Now, I may have missed some in the back. That's when I usually bring my hubby in and be like, did I miss anything? Do you see anything that needs to be redone? Like, I think this little piece right here could be redone. But I think that did great. And it was under $20. Yeah, there we go. But I'll look for pieces that need to be maybe recrimped. You could always go back if you see some you just don't like. And just kind of go back over. But wow. I'm going to go ahead and turn this guy off so it can be cooling down. I need to get me one of those little silicone matte thingies. Wow. You could tease this up. Get some volume going. Wow, wow, wow. I like it. I really like it. It did so good. It took me about 20 minutes. That's about how long it takes me to curl it with a tapered wand anyway. I'm hoping this is not like burning my I just have it sitting on one of my shelves, so I'm holding it up for a second, making sure the wood's not getting too hot. But yes, this guy, fantastic. For under $20. I paid $18.99 for it after the 20% off coupon. Now, the 20% off coupon I used was for Prestige, so I got it off on the Too Faced. I got it on my whole purchase, which was ColourPop, Too Faced, Morphe, e.l.f., this guy, and a Clinique Lippy, which was the Black Honey Lippy. If you didn't see that video, the unboxing, I will leave it up above so you can see what the packaging looks like and everything, because I've done destroyed that packaging. I can't show it to you. But yeah, fantastic buy for under $20. You just got to have that 20% off coupon. And go on there and look and see they were in the clearance. There may still be some available. As always, guys, thanks for watching. Let me know what you think. And I'll see you guys on the next one. We will be playing with actually some of the eyeshadow that I hauled. See you then.